Start speaking English. Listen carefully and repeat. Improve your spoken English from day one. Hello everyone, welcome to Speak English Daily Series. Practice 10 office sentences related to phone calls. This is video part 5 of 50 office English sentences. These videos are perfect for beginners, Hindi speakers, students who understand English but can't speak, anyone afraid of speaking English. Just listen carefully and repeat after me. Don't worry about mistakes, don't worry about grammar. Let's get started. 10 office sentences related to phone calls. Hello, this is Rahul speaking. Repeat slowly. Hello, this is Rahul speaking. Repeat confidently. Hello, this is Rahul speaking. Can you hear me clearly? Repeat slowly. Can you hear me clearly? Repeat confidently. Can you hear me clearly? Please hold on for a moment. Repeat slowly. Please hold on for a moment. Repeat confidently. Please hold on for a moment. Your voice is breaking. Repeat slowly. Your voice is breaking. Repeat confidently. Your voice is breaking. I'll call you back in a minute. Repeat slowly. I will call you back in a minute. Repeat confidently. I'll call you back in a minute. Thanks for the call. Repeat slowly. Thanks for the call. Repeat confidently. Thanks for the call. Talk to you soon. Repeat slowly. Talk to you soon. Repeat confidently. Talk to you soon. Let's continue this tomorrow. Repeat slowly. Let us continue this tomorrow. Repeat confidently. Let's continue this tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Repeat slowly. See you tomorrow. Repeat confidently. See you tomorrow. Have a great day. Repeat slowly. Have a great day. Repeat confidently. Have a great day. Did you practice speaking with me? Great job. Every sentence you speak in English makes you more and more confident. Now say this video. This time, imagine the situation, think and then speak. Comment done after your practice. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. Like and share the video if you find it helpful.